Welcome to the Korean lesson for beginners. In this lesson, we shall specifically explore some basic adverbs,
여기,
which means here,
여기, 여기. 식당,
which means restaurant,
식당, 식당. 여기가 식당입니까?
which means is the restaurant here,
여기가 식당입니까? 여기가 식당입니까? 식당 여기입니다.
which means the restaurant is here,
식당 여기입니다. 식당 여기입니다.
We are currently focusing only on adverbs of place, just to provide a clarity, in case there is confusion about the objective of this lesson,
화장실,
which means toilet or washroom,
화장실, 화장실. 어디,
which means where.
어디, 어디.
It is an interrogative word, used as a relative adverb.
화장실은 어디입니까?
Which means, where is the toilet, or where is the washroom?
화장실은 어디입니까? 화장실은 어디입니까? 저기,
Which means there,
저기, 저기. 화장실은 저기입니다.
which means the toilet is there, or the washroom is there.
화장실은 저기입니다. 화장실은 저기입니다.
We shall slowly move on to the conversations. This is a conversation between you and a random person. You just want to confirm the location of the restaurant with that person.
여기가 식당입니까? 네, 식당 여기입니다.
We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
여기가 식당입니까? 네, 식당 여기입니다.
This is another conversation between you and the restaurant employee. You wish to wash your hands before making an order for your meal. You ask the restaurant employee for the location of the washroom.
화장실은 어디입니까? 화장실은 저기입니다.
We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
화장실은 어디입니까? 화장실은 저기입니다. 나는,
Which is the standard way to say I.
나는, 나는. 가다,
Which means go.
가다, 가다. 가고 있습니다.
Which means going.
가고 있습니다. 가고 있습니다.
The verb is expressed in present continuous tense.
당신은 어디 가십니까?
Which means, where are you going?
당신은 어디 가십니까? 당신은 어디 가십니까? 학교,
Which means school.
학교, 학교. 학교에 가고 있습니다.
Which means going to school.
학교에 가고 있습니다. 학교에 가고 있습니다.
This is a conversation between you and your cousin. Your cousin curiously asks where you are going, for which you reply promptly.
당신은 어디 가십니까? 나는 학교에 가고 있습니다.
We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
당신은 어디 가십니까? 나는 학교에 가고 있습니다. 네,
which means my.
네, 네. 책,
Which means book.
책, 책. 내 책은 어디 있습니다.
Which means where is my book.
내 책은 어디 있습니다. 내 책은 어디 있습니다. 책상,
Which means desk.
책상, 책상. 위에,
Which means on or above.
위에, 위에. 책상 위에,
Which means on the desk.
책상 위에, 책상 위에. 당신의 책은 책상 위에 있습니다.
Which means your book is on the table.
당신의 책은 책상 위에 있습니다. 당신의 책은 책상 위에 있습니다.
This is a conversation between you and your classmate. You ask your classmate for your book, for which your classmate replies where the book is kept.
내 책은 어디 있습니다. 당신의 책은 책상 위에 있습니다.
We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
내 책은 어디 있습니다. 당신의 책은 책상 위에 있습니다.
Thank you for the patient learning. In the process of learning the sentences, there are a few subtle grammar expressions which should be noted.
가,
Is used to indicate the subject when there is more than one noun in the sentence. However, it is only used when the noun ends with the vowel.
이,
Is used to indicate the noun ending with the consonant, which is the subject, in the sentence.
에,
Is used as a particle to indicate location or position.
의.
Is used to indicate the subject's possession of the object. Stay tuned for more updates. If there are any doubts regarding the Korean lesson, please feel free to ask questions in the comments section.